In this video, I am down at a farm near West Alexandria, Ohio, as they are chopping corn silage for their beef cattle herd. In this video, you're going to see the farm chopping the corn silage running their John Deere 4560 tractor, pulling a new Holland model FP230 pull-type forage harvester with a Horning model 1403 corn head on it. And they got a bunch of Badger wagons going here, several different John Deere tractors pulling those wagons from the field back to the farm. When we get back to the farm, they're also going to have a John Deere tractor on a New Holland blower. And this one's going to be a little different. They are actually blowing this silage up, and they kind of got a trench cut out of the side of a hill here. And we will watch them blow that silage up there and push and pack that with their John Deere 4960 tractor. Has a blade on the front and one on the back 3-point hitch. I will go back and forth in this video from the field back to the farm with different drone and on-the-ground shots. All the years of doing videos, I do not come across a lot of 60 series Deere tractors in two-wheel drive like the 4560 you see here. So the 4560 you see here was built by John Deere in Waterloo, Iowa from 1992 to 1994. These were powered with a John Deere 7.6 liter 6-cylinder diesel engine rated at around 155 PTO horsepower. This tractor, of course, was available in two-wheel drive like you see here, or mechanical front-wheel assist. There was two different transmission options in here. You could get the 15-speed full power shift, or you could get the quad range transmission, which has 16 forward and 6 reverse speeds. And of course, this would have been the last of the fixed frame tractors using the sound guard body cap here. Alright, the field was not too far from here. Now you can see where they have this trench cut out of this hillside here. They're blowing the silage up here, and you'll see the John Deere 4850 up there. It's got the blade on the front and the back, pulling that silage up and packing it down.
little bit. You're good to go.
And that is going to do it for this video. If you would go down there, hit that like button. Feel free to leave a comment. If you're new to my channel, I would appreciate if you would hit that subscribe button and check back often. I am always filming, editing, and uploading new content all of the time. You can also check me out on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok at Farmhand Mike. As always, thank you for watching, and I will catch you on the next video.